Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, that's Ritika, right?
Yes.
How are you, Ritika?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, Ritika. And where are you from, Ritika?
I'm from Navi Mumbai, Ghansali.
I'm sorry, Navi Mumbai.
Navi Mumbai.
Okay, and which school are you from?
I am from New Bombay City School.
New Bombay City School. And how's your school doing? How's your school?
It is great. I like my school.
You like your school? And who's your favorite teacher in school?
My class teacher, Archana ma'am.
Oh, and what does she teach?
She teaches English, English, and drawing, computer.
Okay. Right. Oh, wow. She teaches you all the subjects. Which class are you in?
And in fourth grade, but she doesn't teach all the subject.
Okay. Oh. And which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and maths.
Oh, wow. That is so nice. And which one, if I give you a choice, which one will you choose? Will you choose English or will you choose maths?
English.
Why so? Why do you like English?
English because this language is important for me.
Okay. Okay. So do you know any story in English?
Yes, there are so many.
Okay. Tell me a story if you remember one. And tell me a story with a moral lesson.
Sir, can you repeat?
Tell me a story in English and especially a story that has a moral lesson.
Moral lesson.
Yeah. Do you know what a moral lesson is?
The turtle and the rabbit.
Okay. So what is the story? Would you like to be the turtle or the rabbit?
I like the rabbit and turtle both.
Both. Okay. Okay. Why do you like both? Give me a reason why.
Because rabbits are cute and turtles have cells.
Because turtles are slow.
Yes.
Okay, and they have a shell. Okay. Great, great. And do you have any brothers and sisters?
I don't have brothers, but I have 3 younger sisters.
Okay. Oh, wow. That's so nice. That's excellent. Okay.
Sir, do you have?
Yeah, I have. I'm the youngest in the family, and I have one elder brother and one elder sister, and both of them are married.
Oh.
Yes. What are your hobbies, Ritika?
My hobbies is playing football and doing exercise. And I like the park because it's my favorite place.
The park?
Yes.
And what do you do in the park?
In the park, there's a park near my house, and there is something, an exercise area for kids and for grown-ups. So that's my favorite bit.
Okay, so and which all exercise equipments do they have there? Do they have that monkey bar also there?
And not in that park, but another park which is very far.
Okay, and what about your park? The park that is close to you, does it have the different games also there, different slides?
Not different. Only there are 2 slides, which is one of the slide is going round and one of them is going straight.
Okay, straight down.
Not straight up, straight down.
Straight down. Yes, I thought straight up, and then you would take off like that. Yes.
If I ride the slide up, I won't be able to go up.
Yeah, you need a jet engine for that. Yes. And what do you want to become when you grow up?
When I grow up, I want to become a doctor, and my sister's is their choice.
Oh, wow. Okay. And why do you want to become a doctor?
Because they help the people who are in trouble.
Okay. Even the police does that. The police helps people who are in trouble.
So does doctor.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Yes.
Do you go to office?
Yes, I just got back from the. I just got back. Yeah, and yours was the first session that I'm taking today. Otherwise, I love staying with my daughter. I have a 7-year-old daughter, and I love spending time with her. She's in grade 2.
Oh, and 2. My younger sister, who is 4 years old, right now she's in senior KG or maybe, I don't know in which class.
Upper KG, yeah, upper KG. Kindergarten.
Same, senior KG and junior KG, but she's in senior right now.
Okay, wow, excellent. And how long have you been with Clapping Go?
This is my 43rd.
Okay, 43rd session.
Yes.
Oh.
So what is that? 43?
43rd.
43rd.
Yes, 43rd session. Okay, excellent. Wonderful. Okay, so Ritika, tell me one thing. How has your experience been so far with Clapping Go? And do you enjoy talking with the tutors?
Yes, yes, I do. Because some of them are teaching me 10.
Okay. Okay, you like learning 10s?
No, right now I'm learning.
You're learning right now. Okay, would you like to learn a nursery rhyme?
Sir, can you repeat?
Would you like to learn a nursery rhyme?
I'm too big for a nursery.
No. My favorite is the Incy Wincy Spider. Have you heard of that?
Yes, that's my sister's favorite.
Oh, Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Do you know it?
I know that because it's easy.
Okay, and which other nursery rhyme is your favorite?
Bingo Bingo. You have heard that?
No, I haven't heard Bingo Bingo. Is it a new one?
It's about Rose.
Okay.
There are 4 kids who want to pick the flowers, and they are saying that my pocket is full of rose. And have you heard that one?
Yeah, when we were there in school, when I was your age, at that time we used to say "Ringa Ringa Roses."
Yes.
Yeah, pocket full of poses.
That's my favorite one.
Yeah, Ringa Ringa Roses, pocket full of poses. Husha Husha, we all fall down. Something like that. You see, I still remember. Have you heard that one also? London Bridge is falling down.
No.
London Bridge is falling down. London Bridge is falling down. My fair lady. Huh?
Not that one.
Okay. And do you like songs also?
No.
You don't listen to songs?
No, I don't listen to songs.
Okay. Great. Wonderful. So, okay, tell me one thing, Ritika. How was your day yesterday?
Yesterday?
Yes.
It was very nice. Because yesterday was my dance and game.
Oh, wow. In school?
Yes, but it was very boring at the game. We were standing in the sunlight. We were feeling so hot. Our shoes and hair were hot. So some kids were trying to stand in the set. They didn't wanted to stand in the shadow in the sunlight. So my mom.
In the shade. Yeah, some kids they wanted to stand in the shade, right?
Yes, same.
Okay.
But my mom said, that's your punishment for making a lot of noise.
Oh, naughty class. Yeah.
Then one big elder one boy said to his, he was calling one girl who was very big, and we thought he was calling us. So we were running, and my teacher was laughing. When we were standing on the stage, we were we were feeling, we want to stand for more. We were saying to ma'am, but ma'am said, no, you can't. You have to get some exercise. That's your punishment.
Okay.
So we said, ma'am, please let's go in our class. It's better in our class, not in the sunlight.
Absolutely. The sun was pretty hot yesterday, right?
Yes, it was so hot that we couldn't even dance because we are always going in the playground. There's one ground, so we are always learning there to how to practice dance because there is too many people who get disturbed. So we always go down.
Okay, so you all go to the playground and you dance there. You practice your dance there, right? In the playground?
No, it's not called a playground, but
okay.
Kids in my class calling it playground. There is nothing. There is one line. Here is everywhere sand, and here is a green grass.
Okay, so it's just plain land, right? Just a ground.
Yes, and this side the kids play football, and near the sand, the kids are running in the sunlight.
Okay, right. And what about you? Where do you dance there?
We are dancing near the sand because it's very.
Okay. Right. Ritika, when you say that we are dancing in the sand, so that means you are doing it right now. So you can simply say that we dance in the sand.
Oh, it's in the past.
In the past, okay. When you use the ing form of the verb, the infinitive form of the verb, right? For example, dancing, playing, and all these things, we are speaking in the continuous tense, right? Now that could be present or that could be past. So let's say in the past you were doing something. So I will say that let's say I was playing, so I can say I was playing football. So that's in the past. If you have to say the very same thing, that right now I am playing football, so then I will use the verb am with ing, playing, right? So I will say I am playing football. Okay. Otherwise, if I have to say something that I usually do, okay? For example, I wake up at 5 o'clock and then I go to the field and then I practice dance, right? In that case, I will simply use the main verb, that is play, eat, sleep, or whatever it is. Okay. Right. And if the very same thing, if I'm asking you about yesterday and you want to tell me what you did yesterday, right? In that case, you will use the second form of the verb. So if I say I play football, I tell you that, okay, tell this to me in the past. What will be the past tense of I play football?
I was playing football.
That is past continuous. Of past, when I say I played football, in the past, it will become I played football.
I played football.
Okay. And now if I say that, okay, tell me in the past continuous. I play football, make this in the past continuous. So how will you say it? I was playing football.
Playing football.
Right. So if you were doing this yesterday, right? So that means it's past continuous. Now the very same thing, if I say that I am playing football, what does that mean?
You are playing right now.
Absolutely. Am I playing football right now?
No.
No. So what will I say? Right now, what am I doing?
I am teaching.
Yes, I am speaking with Ritika. Okay. Okay. So let's do this a bit. Let's go into the present and the past. Okay, we'll just build sentences. Okay, I'll ask you which one. I'll tell you whether it is continuous or perfect or whatever you need to make, and you quickly give me the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I eat bananas every day.
I eat bananas every day.
Yes. Go into the past.
I add banana.
Right. That will be 8. It's pronounced as the number 8. ATE is 8.
8.
Yes. I ate banana yesterday. Okay. Now, if this very same thing I say, Tell this to me in present continuous.
I am eating banana.
Very good. Past continuous.
Past continuous. I was eating banana.
Absolutely right. Do you understand the difference?
Yes.
Okay.